Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Art with Jayanta, and I am Jayanta Singh. Hope you all are very fine and well. Today I am painting a very beautiful morning scenery with just some birds. Nothing in this painting, only birds. And this is very early morning, and some birds like pigeon or crow sitting electric cable or some cables. In India it is very common, some open cable on street, and all pigeons are sit on it. So my subject is that today I am painting some birds on cable, and you saw I am drawing the posture of the birds, different postures, and it looks good and natural. Now I start painting. At first I have to paint the sky, and I am starting with yellow color and then orange and cobalt blue. With this color I am showing the morning sky. So, and this painting is wet in wet. Don't let the paper dry, do it wet in wet. And don't paint much thicker color, make it light and thin. Friends, if you like my painting, please subscribe my channel. I have many tutorials in my channel. Hope you all enjoy it. And now you see how I painting the morning sky. The sun just rising, and it make the beautiful sky. Now this paper is completely dry, and I am drawing some cables. How much cables you can. And after that I will paint the all birds. The colors are, you can make cobalt blue and burnt sienna, because I will paint the all birds little dark color, because early morning you can get much light, so the birds looks little darker. Maybe it's morning, or it's also can sunset, the same atmosphere. Look, I am painting this all birds now. Very carefully do it. So guys, please watch my full video. Hope you'll enjoy it, and if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can get much more better tutorial. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.